And now we are on our way to Napa. Sonoma was absolutely adorable. That little historical old town. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm so glad we stopped there. I'd never been there, ever. So now on our way to Napa, we're gonna grab some lunch there too. And Napa has a nice little Riverwalk, and it's very pretty. So I can't wait. Well, that was a nice quick ride. Now we're on our way to downtown Napa. And we're just driving through these little neighborhoods, cute houses. We're gonna look for somewhere to eat. Downtown Napa is an adorable city. It's got tons of restaurants and little stores that do wine tasting and all sorts of artisan stuff. They have a really cool public market that we checked out.
Cute place.
Yeah. Oh, cute. It almost looks like an Italy, yeah. Lovsky, Jewish Deli. Cupcakes, Kara's Cupcakes, teas, cute little coffee. Me too. It's really a lovely, lovely place to walk around and have a great meal. There's lots of historical buildings, and the downtown is really fun to walk around. Google Maps. What are those, honey?
Vinegars.
Oh,
Balsamic vinegar.
wow. Yum. Oh my God, this store is beautiful.
Yes.
This one is what?
With her
Pear?
Yeah.
Yum.
and grapefruit. And dark chocolate.
Oh my God, dark chocolate.
You do that
Vinegar?
for you? No, I don't know. The Riverwalk is an area that they did a really nice job with. You can walk along the river, the views are beautiful, it's full of shops and restaurants again, and lots of stuff to see. The riverfront walk in Napa. Looks like everything's closed right now. A couple things are open. I think they have a bit of a nightlife here. So we're at Downtown Joe's, and it smells like incredible barbecue. If you eat meat, we don't. But the food was very good, very simple salads, and we got some shrimp lettuce wraps with coleslaw that were delicious. Really reasonable prices compared to everywhere else we've been. So it was really nice, and the view was pretty. We're heading to all the wineries now. of our favorites because, not necessarily because of the wine, because the actual winery location of the tasting is really, really pretty. We actually think that Shandong Winery is probably one of the prettiest wineries in Napa. And that's why we're taking you to the visitor center. It's the most beautiful grounds and the view is just lovely. Their grounds are so pretty. They've got this cute little bridge that you walk across. Free parking, of course. You can do Napa and Sonoma in one day, unless you're drinking, of course. Then you might want to take your time. Moa and Shandong. Shandong Winery is probably one of our favorites because it's so beautiful here. And we haven't even seen the other side with the view yet. This is Shandong's tasting room while they're under construction. The original is so much more beautiful. I love these glasses. I am so sad because the winery is under construction and the beautiful view that I wanted to show you guys that overlooks everything is closed. So they said 2 years, but we did get a bonus. I got some beautiful champagne glasses, which I needed. I needed them. Everything seems to be a bust today. We just Googled the hours because I know Napa always closes usually around 5, all the wineries. But we wanted to take you to Mondavi because that's another one that's absolutely beautiful. It's more modern and very pretty, and they close at 4, and it's 4:07. So I did the best I could for you guys. What can I say? Check out our Sonoma vlog and watch for San Francisco. It's coming next. Then we're headed to Mexico. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton. All colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more. Along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.